In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the JMA RSX Clone Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine, because this process is exactly the same no matter what you're looking at. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the time frames and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicator and Strategy window. When that window pops up, you'll see a list of built-in indicators, your favorites, and community scripts. At the very top of this panel, there's a search bar. Click directly on that search bar so you can start typing. This is the quickest way to find what you need instead of scrolling through long lists. Now, in the search bar, type JMA RSX Clone exactly as you want the indicator. TradingView will begin filtering results as you type. Give it a second if your connection is a bit slow. Once you see JMA RSX Clone appear in the list of results, move your cursor over it and click on it once. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically. You should see a new window appear below your price chart or lines and signals overlaying your chart depending on how the script is designed. With the indicator now added, the next step is to customize it so it matches your personal trading style. On the chart, look for the indicator label, usually found on the left side of the indicator pane or at the top where its name is displayed. Next to that label, you'll see a small gear icon. Click on that gear to open the settings window for the JMA RSX Clone. Inside the settings, you can adjust inputs such as length, smoothing, and any other parameters the creator has made available. Take a moment to read the names of each setting and think about how reactive or smooth you want the indicator to be. You can also switch over to the Style tab to change colors, line thickness, and visibility so it's easy on your eyes and fits with the rest of your chart layout. Whenever you make a change, you'll see it update in real time behind the settings window. If you like what you see, click OK or apply to lock it in. Finally, if you want to upgrade to TradingView Pro or support the channel, check out the link in the description. Once you're all set up, you'll be able to use this indicator exactly as shown and integrate it smoothly into your trading routine.